Hello buddies, welcome to our channel. I'm Swarna. So, how many of you know the exact definition of letter, word and sentence? Don't worry, in this class we shall learn in detail about the definition of letter, word and sentence. Without any delay, let's start our video. Letter. What is letter? A symbol usually written or printed representing a speech. In other words, letters are the characters that make up a word. Now, let us see what is the definition for word. The group of letters that has meaning when spoken or written is called word. Group of words form a sentence. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words containing a subject and a verb that expresses a statement, a question, etc. In other words, a sentence is a basic unit of language which expresses a complete thought in meaningful manner. There are 4 types of sentences. They are declarative, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory sentences. Declarative sentences. These are also called as assertive sentences. A sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called assertive sentence. This tells about something. These sentences start with capital letters and end with full stop. Examples: I have a blue dress. I am learning English. Interrogative sentences. These sentences ask something. These generally end with a question mark. There are 2 types in interrogative sentences. They are yes or no questions, WH questions. Yes or no question. The answer is either yes or no. That means we are expecting the answer in either yes or no and does not need any elaboration or details. It is made up of auxiliary verb or modal verbs. Examples: Are you ready to go? Will you come with me? Are you busy? WH questions. These are also called as open questions. WH questions begin with WH, with the exception of how. WH questions include what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. Example: What are you doing? When are you coming? How are you? Imperative sentence. A sentence that gives an order or command. It always sounds like the speaker is bossing someone around. This typically begins with the base form of the verb and ends with a full stop or an exclamation. Examples: Pass the salt. Move out of my way. Be there at 5 o'clock. Get out. Exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences convey a strong emotion and ends with an exclamatory mark. Exclamatory sentences makes a statement just like a declarative sentence, but it also conveys excitement and emotion. Examples: Fantastic, let's go. Wow, I really want to go. Here is a note for you. The exclamation can also mean any expression of strong emotion, including one word interjection like ouch, hey, wow. Examples: That hurts. This is actually a declarative. Don't be so stupid. This is imperative. Who the hell are you? This is interrogative. Here is the exercise for you. Identify the type of sentences. First one. Come back as soon as possible if you want to do well in your exams. Option A. Assertive. B. Interrogative. C. Imperative. D. Exclamatory. The answer is option C. Imperative. Explanation. This sentence shows a condition through an order, so it is imperative. Second question. Who dares to defy me? Option A. Assertive. B. Interrogative. C. Imperative. D. Exclamation. Answer is option B, interrogative. Explanation. The question mark clearly indicates that it's an interrogative. Third question. Don't you dare talking to me in that tone. Option A, assertive. Option B, interrogative. Option C, imperative. Option D, exclamation. The answer is option C, imperative. Explanation. Though there is exclamatory mark at the end of the sentence, it actually forbids someone to do something. Question 4. May I go outside to play with my friend's mom? Option A, assertive. Option B, interrogative. Option C, imperative. Option D, exclamation. And the answer is option B, interrogative. Explanation. The question mark clearly indicates that it's an interrogative. Fifth question. John could not recall where he lived. Option A, assertive. B, interrogative. C, imperative. D, exclamation. The answer is assertive. Option A. Explanation. This sentence describes a past situation. The clause where he lived does not ask anything rather than the place of living, so it is assertive. Sixth question. Don't shoot the lion. Option A, assertive. Option B, interrogative. Option C, imperative. Option D, exclamation. The answer is option C, imperative. Explanation. The sentence is forbidding someone to do something, so it is imperative. Question 7. Happy birthday, Srija. Options. Option A, assertion. Option B, imperative. Option C, interrogative. Option D, exclamation. The answer is option D, exclamation. Explanation. The sentence expresses a strong feeling. Eighth question. The sun rises in the east. Options. Option A, assertive. Option B, interrogative. Option C, imperative. Option D, exclamation. The answer is option A, assertive. Explanation. This sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Question 9. How cute she is. Option A, assertive. B, interrogative. C, imperative. D, exclamation. The answer is option D, exclamation. Explanation. This sentence expresses the feeling. Question 10. Have you enjoyed your English class today? Option A, assertive. B, interrogative. C, imperative. D, exclamation. The answer is option B, interrogative. Explanation. The question mark clearly indicates that it is an interrogative. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.